He's handsome. He's got a strong jawline.
He has really beautiful eyes.
Oh, yeah. Handsome fella.
Yeah, he's gonna see this. It's gonna be weird.
He sounds exactly like Butthead from Beavis and Butthead. I don't know if he knows the guy or he used to watch that growing up a lot or what.
Well, Mike Judge does have actual street cred as like a engineering nerd.
I never really knew the distinction between nerds and geeks, really, and it's changed over the years. People nerd out on what is defined as nerd versus geek.
Geeks to me are to kind of geek out on certain stuff.
Geek is like a guy who has adult braces and gets in your face. Not that there's anything wrong with adult braces, but I feel like he has elective adult braces. Geeks I obviously have some sort of traumatic past with.
Big Head's a nerd, Guilfoyle's a geek, Dinesh is a nerd, and Ehrlich is a drug addict.